Hey folks, I have a tenor guitar to show you today, and I've made I think 5 of these now. They are based on the old Regal tenor guitar design, which is the first instrument ever marketed as a 4-string tenor guitar. So this one is in a new tuning for me though. This is G, D, A, E. That's 1 octave lower than a mandolin. And that's a pretty popular tuning for tenor guitars, but it wasn't what was intended in the original design by Regal. So I was a little worried about trying out that lower pitch on this scale length. But it turned out nice, and I'm really glad I did it. So unlike in the rest of my building for the tenor guitars, I'm really sticking with more traditional woods right now as I figure them out. So this one's got is spruce and maple. So the back and sides are some beautiful curly maple that I got from a violin maker. And then some Sitka spruce from British Columbia that I got from our friend Craig. It's filled with tons of little cool beauty marks and imperfections. It fits my style just fine. This has all got a little amber stain in it, of course. And then mahogany for the neck. And then everything else is Texas ebony. And I picked out some kind of pieces with some knots and burls in it. It was really hard to bend the binding for Texas ebony. I might not do that for binding ever again. And yeah, it's got steel strings, G, D, A, E. You have to forgive me, I don't play in these fifths tunings very often, but yeah, man, it's got a great sound. I really like it. So that one up there is the prototype, and that's been in Chicago tuning, or DGBE, for a long time. And I can also make these in CGDA, which is another traditional tenor guitar tuning. Yeah, it's kind of a useful design. It's got a, what's the scale length again? Oh, about 21 and a half or so. And it's pretty useful for lots of different stringings and tunings. It's got a floating bridge, and then this little cool brass tailpiece. It's got a K&K pickup, geared tuner's bone nut and saddle, and a real big sound. And it even handles the low string well. So that is number 325. Cheers, thanks.